let's bring in Eric Paraxilis. He's a faculty member at Duke University. And Eric, we had you on the show before to talk about how the U.S. was lagging behind other countries in terms of testing ability. How big of a deal is this test? And is it actually significant that an Australian company is the first to get their FDA authorized for emergency use?
I think it's a big deal. I think the future of medicine is going to be more convenient, more local, and more affordable. You know, it was an Australian company that did this, but they did have a $30 million grant from the United States National Institutes of Health, so I think they were selected as the best company regardless of where they were.
Got it. Let's talk about the test itself. There have been some home tests developed, but these require you actually send your sample to a lab. This one doesn't. You just have to download an app on your phone. Can you explain how this technology works?
Yeah, so basically what happens is you buy a kit, and the kit has the test device, the sample device, and the device itself connects to your phone by Bluetooth. You try to download an app, and you collect a nasal sample. And basically, the app itself also plays a video that walks the user through all the steps of collecting the sample, performing the test. It displays the results, it computes the results, and then it actually transmits the results once that is done.
Okay, transmits the results, and then how accurate are these results?
In the initial data provided to the FDA, the test correctly identified 96% of positive samples and 100% of negative samples in individuals with symptoms. Without symptoms, it correctly identified 91% of positive samples and 96% of negative samples. So, very accurate at this point.
Do you also have any concerns that at-home tests like these can actually lure us into a false sense of security? Everyone taking one then going to a large gathering,